Explainer. Think of this as your high-rise exam construction workshop. I'm stepping in as your chief architect today, and we are cracking open the Cambridge Principal Examiner reports. Our goal? To lay down an unshakable foundation for Cambridge Mathematics 9709. We're zeroing in on the exact schematic layout you need to conquer the derivative of x to the power of n, and of course, the intricately layered chain rule. These are load-bearing topics, folks, so let's get right into how to engineer those top-tier grades today.
Okay, let's stress test this right out of the gate. You know the math, right? You've memorized the formulas. But why do so many students completely bleed easy marks when they have to apply these core concepts to completely unfamiliar contexts? Well, imagine two different builders on our site tackling a complex, high-tariff chain rule question. First, we have Alex. Alex just stacks way too many unorganized factual bricks, writing down every derivative rule without any clear structural path. Then we have Sam. Sam focuses purely on a flashy exterior design, just guessing the final expanded polynomial, but totally forgets to build the load-bearing sentence structures and logical working out. What happens? Both of their exam responses completely collapse under the examiner's rigorous review. Let's look at exactly why that happens.
Section 1. Top 3 examiner warnings. The differentiation trap. What's really fascinating here is that the biggest structural failures aren't actually about getting the fundamental calculus wrong. Nope. It almost always comes down to poor formatting and totally ignoring the specific context of the question. Going back to our builders, when Alex and Sam mapped out their mathematical steps on the grid, they forgot to ensure their analytical depth was securely anchored to the constraints of the actual exam paper. For instance, if a specific rate of change context demands a certain format, but you fail to anchor your chain rule to that context, your whole argument is basically built on quicksand.
Now, this brilliantly illustrates your ultimate safety net. Skipping your working out is literally academic sabotage. Let's say you applied the